So mirror check, no need for a signal, I'm happy with what I can see. At the end of my T-junction then, I'm turning left. It's an unmarked T-junction. Can't signal at this point. Can signal at this point. Signalling because I can't see. Can go in second. It'll be a slow go, right. At the top of the road, turning right. It's a junction with no markings. On the approach then, checking where I want to go. Obviously I've got a couple of parked cars. Checking that I'm not pulling out in front of someone. Keeping the car relatively straight and then coming round. Careful of the cat. And then following the road around to my left hand side. Trying to look as far as I can then. Trying to see as far as I can around the bend. Keeping relatively close to the curb as I go around the corner. Having to keep within about a foot. It's quite a narrow road. Okay, looking up the road then. Can't see very far. A couple of parked cars. One on either side of the road. Then there's more parked cars beyond that. So currently, happy with what I can see. Moving into the gap. Trying to look as far around the corner as I can, scanning into junctions as well. And at the end of this road, then again, it's another unmarked junction. The car opposite shouldn't affect me if I'm turning right, other than that a oncoming car like this red one would be closer to me. Right, this is the point where I feel I can see. Approaching this junction then, I'm turning right. Just going to hold back here now while they sort themselves out. That looks like the Audi. Yep, it is. So there's my signal for my intention then. And watching the Fiesta on my left. That looks like they're turning in. Making sure that the Audi isn't going. Keeping away from the Audi though. Trying to look as far ahead as I can then. Checking my mirrors regularly to make sure I haven't missed anything. Okay, now if I just go a little bit slower, that car will be through further by the time I reach the learner. Okay, and then check the mirror, move out, move back. Got a DPD van stopped on the road further ahead. There's the driver. Okay, going to check my right mirror, move out, and then move back as I'm going left at my roundabout. Okay, looking over to my right then, following the curve. This car's going straight. Going to need to pull out a little quicker, otherwise I'll get caught.